Welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to do Beginner OLL. Beginner OLL is the third step of the beginner CFOP method and comes after Beginner F2L. So basically, you have the first two layers of a cube solved, and then you use Beginner OLL to solve the top face, like this. The first step of Beginner OLL is to solve the top cross. For this step, you can ignore all of the corner pieces, and we're just going to focus on the edge pieces and the center piece. So the first case is the line case. It looks like a line here. You do it horizontally, and then you do this algorithm. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime to solve the top cross. The next case is this L-shaped case. You hold it in the bottom right corner and you do a similar algorithm which goes like this. Wide F, R, U, R prime, U prime, wide F prime. And now the top cross is solved. The last case is the dot case. You can hold it on any side. As you can see, it doesn't matter because it just turns the centerpiece and that doesn't change anything. So for this case, you will hold it, like, as I said, anywhere, and then you do the algorithm which we did for the line case. So F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime, and this transfers the dot case into the L-shaped case. So you do wide F, R, U, R prime, U prime, wide F prime. Now we're going to focus on the second step of Beginner OLL, which is to orient all of the corners. There are exactly 7 cases for this. The first case I'm going to show you is like this fish case, because from the top it looks like a fish. And what matters is that all of these side-facing yellow stickers are facing clockwise, like this. It points clockwise, they all point clockwise. So you hold the case like this, and then you do the following algorithm. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. And now the top is solved. So the next case is the other fish case, but this time you can see all of these side-facing yellow stickers face counterclockwise. So you hold this case like this and you do the following algorithm. R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime, and the top face is solved. The next case is this H case. You can see these stickers are facing opposite each other, and the algorithm for this case goes like this. R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime. The next case I'm going to show you is the pie case. You can see these two stickers face in the same direction while these two face in opposite directions. You hold it like this and you do this algorithm. R, U2, R2, U prime, R2, U prime, R2, U2, R. The next case is this kind of shape where you have these two stickers facing in opposite directions, which looks like a hammerhead, and then you do the algorithm that I'm about to show you. So wide R, U, R prime, U prime, wide R prime, F, R, F prime to solve the top face. The next case is this case where it kind of looks like a fish case, but just with one more corner oriented. So you hold the case like this, where this sticker is facing you, and you do F prime, wide R, U, R prime, U prime, wide R prime, F, R. And the last case is this case, where you have these two stickers facing to the same side. You hold it in the back, and then you do R2, D prime, R, U2, R prime, D, R, U2, R. So that was it for this video. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you next time.